I'm at 338 East Coast Road in Sunnynook. I'm Marie Gray from Harcourts, and I'm very proud to present this fabulous weatherboard and brick home. 3 bedrooms, 1 study, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas and a double garage. And the best part is it's situated across the road from the golf course and just a short stroll to the beautiful Mairangi Bay Beach. Come with me and let's take a look. You're going to love this private, peaceful backyard. It's fully fenced, so perfect for children and pets. And the bonus here is the school zoning, Rangitoto zone and Westlake girls and boys, so your children can be assured of a top education here. I look forward to seeing you. Marie Gray, Harcourts in Milford. Thank you.